Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best Carom cues for precision play. So let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5. KONLLEN-Carom Cue 3 Cushion Cue 12 to 12.2 mm tip 142 cm 12 pieces and 1 maple shaft. Description: the KONLLEN-Carom Cue is a professional grade cue for 3 cushion play. With a 12 to 12.2 mm tip and a length of 142 cm, it features a 12-piece maple shaft set. The 388 radial joint enhances stability and precision, making it the go-to choice for serious Korean Libra cue players. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. CUESOUL 3 Cushion Carom Billiard Cue 56-inch weight 18 ounces. Description: CUESOUL presents a 3 cushion Carom billiard cue, measuring 56 inches and weighing 18 ounces. The cue features a wooden joint system, ensuring stability during play. Accompanied by a cue bag, it's a reliable choice for players seeking a combination of performance and convenience. At number 3. KONLLEN 12 to 12.4 mm carbon fiber suit for PERI Carom Cue. Description: the KONLLEN carbon fiber shaft kit is tailor-made for PERI Carom Cue enthusiasts. With a diameter range of 12 to 12.4 mm, these single shaft kits feature 3/8/8/unilock joint, perfect for 3 cushion Libra cue play. Unleash your skills with this advanced carbon fiber technology. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. ZOKUE Carom Cue Stick Professional Carom French Billiard Cue. Description: the ZOKUE Professional Carom Cue is a top-tier choice for French billiards. With a 12 mm taper tip and a length of 142 cm, this cue is designed for 3 bands Korean 3 cushion play. Elevate your game and enjoy the precision of this high-quality cue. At number 1. New Thai brand Typhoon series Carom Cue Stick. Description: experience precision with the Typhoon series Carom Cue. This Korean Carom billiard cue boasts a 12.2 mm tip and a durable stainless steel radial joint for enhanced accuracy. Elevate your game with the latest technology in the 2022 model.